If you're looking for information on the Kurator Lifetime Deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Kurator Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Kurator Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Streamline your content curation efforts with Kurator. Organize, access, and publish curated content with ease. Supercharge your productivity and simplify information management with Kurator, the ultimate app for seamless access and effortless organization. Designed for marketers, researchers, journalists, and analysts. In the world of AI and algorithms, your voice matters more than ever. We give you the power to editorialize and personalize access to what you find online. Remember the why, the what, and the when, and turn your discovery into reusable assets you can share with the world. Reduce stress, boost productivity. Kurator seamlessly integrates into your browsing workflow and helps you curate and access any web page, email, social media post, or web document the way you work. By using Kurator, you can save time and effort that would otherwise be spent searching for information scattered across different sources. You can organize the content in a way that makes sense to you and retrieve it quickly when you need it. Level up your curation with our IFTTT integration. Connect your Kurator account to YouTube, Feedly, Reddit, Pocket, or any RSS feed, and automatically select posts to add to Kurator using our IFTTT integration. Kurator is your private dashboard for personalizing, accessing, and publishing the best content you find on the web. Save once, publish everywhere. With Kurator, you can easily publish selected folder contents to your website, newsletter, and social media channels directly from your browser. The Kurator Sync folder allows you to generate RSS and embed links that you can use to publish content on your website, newsletter, and social media channels. Any website, social media automation tool, and newsletter program that can import RSS feeds can be seamlessly connected to Kurator. Once you set up your RSS connections, content from your Kurator folder will be automatically published to your website and newsletter. In essence, Kurator is a tool for automatically publishing curated and customized content from Kurator to your website, newsletter, and social media channels all at once. Maximize your WordPress site's potential. Take ownership of the content you share on your WordPress site with our KBucket plugin. By syncing with Kurator, KBucket enables you to publish the contents of one or more folders as a resource hub, slider, carousel, or content grid anywhere on your website. With KBucket, you can share curated content from your own website and receive all the inbound traffic. Additionally, all curated YouTube videos will play directly on your site, improving your SEO by increasing time spent on your site. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Kurator today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.